What's going on, people? It is December 24th. It's a Friday. Hopefully you enjoyed your week so far. It looks like things are moving back up here. I saw some of you talking about Tectonic in the comments a couple of days ago, so I looked into it. They recently added it to the VVS finance platform where people can put in their money, their VVS right now, stake it, and basically farm some Tectonic, some Tonic, basically tokens. So we're gonna talk about Tonic. We're gonna talk about whether they, overall, the idea behind it, what they stand for, what they're gonna do, and basically, just some sort of a price analysis. See what's been happening. I see that dropped almost a good 60, maybe 55%. And but honestly, I looked at the comments. I did some research, and I actually like it so far. It looks like it's a lending and borrowing platform that's based on the CRONOS chain. So the first money maker, not money maker, money market on the CRONOS chain, where people can just lend and borrow tokens and just general coins in general. So you can take some sort of a loan, or you can add your liquidity to the pool and earn some sort of passive income on it, which is actually exciting a lot. For me in general, because I hold a lot of the crypto.com or the CRONOS chain tokens, and if I'm holding those for a good for whatever years to come, I want to earn some sort of income on those, and sometimes I want to pull off some loans and see whatever I can do with those. So pretty nice, pretty exciting. I'm gonna get into that. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do, man, so you can keep up with all things, everything CRONOS chain, crypto.com, VVS, whatever you want, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. But if we just switch here to my screen, we'll just talk about what CRONOS, what Tectonic is, and what are they doing, and then we'll get to the price action. I'll leave chapters on the bottom here for you to actually read up upon, and I'll put all these resources for you to actually get into it. So what is Tectonic? Tectonic is basically a decentralized, non-custodial, algorithmic-based money market protocol that allows users to participate as liquidity suppliers or borrowers. So basically, suppliers can provide liquidity to the market, they can earn a passive income on it, and borrowers are able to borrow liquidity in an over-collateralized fashion. So what that means basically, hey, if I own some sort of crypto.com, if I hold some VVS finance, sorry, if I own some sort of Bitcoin or Ethereum, I can come in, put it on the platform, and actually take out a loan based on that. Now obviously there's some things you got to be aware of, some sort of, like, say you don't want to be liquidated if the price drops. There's some sort of margins you got to keep in mind, which I'll also make a follow-up video on it as well at one point, but I just want to kind of bring this to your attention. So basically, it's a proven audited protocol. It is complemented with an attractive incentive program, all these nice things. Basically, Tonic is the actual token. In summary, Tectonic protocol aims to provide a secure and seamless cryptocurrencies money market functionalities, enabling multiple use cases for its users. So that's what I want to talk about, because now this is what DeFi is all about, right? We got rid of the banks. We made a decentralized platform. We made a decentralized system, but now I want to use what banking services I'm actually used to overall. I want to borrow money, and I want to also put in money to earn some sort of interest on it. And this is what this does for us. So for the three types of users, for the hodlers, the people that are just holding the tokens for years to come, they can generate additional return from interest by supplying assets to the protocol without having to actively manage their assets. So look, if you're holding these tokens, and you're trying to hodl for such a long time, might as well put it in some sort of platform so it gives you some yield, gives you some interest on those, and overall you're just generating passive income out of it. The second thing, which I'm interested in a lot, you guys know on the channel we also trade a lot. Traders can borrow certain cryptocurrencies to capitalize their short-term trading view or yield maximizing opportunities. And what that means, sometimes even for me, I have my long-term holdings. I have those. I'm set. It's all set up. But I also like to trade. I like to swing trade as well. And whenever I feel like the market is having some sort of reversal coming up, it being going up or it being going down, I can take a loan when everything is up, maximize how much of that loan I can get, and then whenever it drops, I can even buy back with those. I can buy certain tokens. I can buy, I can hold USDT or USD, whatever CRONOS, whatever DAI, whatever stable coin is going to be most prevalent on the CRONOS chain, and I can take that everything drops, I can buy more things back, I can pay back the loan on a swing trading kind of strategy. So that's good for all you traders as well. And also users can obtain access to other cryptocurrencies for multiple purposes, participate in ICOs, bonding, without having to liquidate their original assets. So that's what I'm saying. We brought in people, liquid loans, which are based on the Pulse Chain network a couple of days ago. And we were talking about, look, if I'm holding things and I want to cash out on some things, might as well take a loan on that, as opposed to me just kind of cashing out or selling or getting rid of the crypto holdings I have just to cash out on some things. I would rather actually take a loan out of it, continue to hold the assets. It's locked in on the actual platform, and I can take that loan, do whatever I want with it, maybe buy more crypto, or just gives you the freedom to reallocate certain resources, certain holdings you have, and just gives me a lot of freedom. And this is what DeFi is all about, guys. This is why I'm always excited about these things, because it really is DeFi at your fingertips, and the CRONOS chain is being... I love it. The CRONOS chain is just tackling every problem, and they're updating and developing. So looks pretty nice so far. So again, by the way, I want to talk to you about the same thing here. If we go to, they have their Particle B incubation. So Particle B is the crypto incubator for all these projects. And basically, you know, they're the ones that kind of, you know, back these projects. Particle B also was backing VVS Finance. Looks like, you know, we're having the same kind of, you know, deja vu here. You know, Particle B was the incubator for the VVS Finance platform. Now they're also for this. So do we expect some sort of, you know, promotion coming up and all that? Yes, we do, man, because that's what VVS Finance just did yesterday. VVS Finance yesterday tweeted, "Congrats on the successful mainnet launch for Tectonic Fi. To celebrate, we're excited to launch Tonic, Glitter Mines, and Crystal Farms." So you can go on VVS Finance and we go to earn mines, and then we can now earn Tonic as well. So it's 294%. You know, you can earn more VVS on as well, which, by the way, I don't know if you guys have been noticing, but VVS has been looking nice, man. VVS is kind of making some sort of a move here. So let's see if this thing found its bottom or not. But nonetheless, Tonic just got launched on VVS Finance. You can put your VVS here and actually earn Tonic tokens. And not only that, you can buy it as well if you go to swap trade, and we go, let's say if you want to have maybe DAI or whatever, sorry for the noise, and then we go to, we can pick where is it at, Tonic, and we can put and swap, and you can only buy it on VVS Finance basically. So it's pretty nice so far. And there's the actual platform here, guys. So you look at Tonic, this, we enter the platform. Looks like, you know, so far we have DAI, stablecoin, USDT, USDC, WBT, so wrapped Bitcoin, wrapped ETH, and crypto.com. So what you can do here, let's just say I want to put in my crypto.com in here. I come in, and you see the actual the numbers here. Important factors to consider, obviously, is the collateral factor. So let's say if you have whatever the value of your crypto.com, you put it on the actual platform itself, and it would you can only use 80% of that value and take a loan. So basically, if my CRO is worth $1,000, I can take out $800 as some sort of a loan. And yeah, basically that's what it is, and you can do that over multiple coins or multiple tokens like we just saw. And man, looks so far so good. So I'm pretty sure this thing's gonna, you know, gain more and more exposure by the CRONOS chain ecosystem. I think more and more people are gonna know about it. If you go to VVS Finance and we go to analytics, we'll go to tokens as well. So far, we'll go to let's just go here. Tectonic governance token is down like 60% today. Then we go to view on CRONOS chain, and you'll see here that so far we tokens all, and we'll see in the bottom here that so far for Tectonic governance token, we have only 7,746 people that are actually holding it. And I'm pretty sure that, you know, a lot of people on the actual mines here are mining Tonic, and yeah. So that's pretty much it. This is overall. Let's just talk about the price action real quick. I didn't really want to get too much into this so far. Just want to bring it to your attention, and maybe tomorrow or the day after I'll make some sort of analysis on it. But if we go to analytics, we go to Tectonic governance token and we go to price. You can see here that the price dropped from 0.000008 all the way down to the 3. So it's at 65 or maybe 65 to 70% down. I'm not sure if it found its bottom yet. This just got released. What do we have here on December 23rd at 6 a.m. Universal time. So I'm not sure if it found its bottom or no. Again, that's what usually happens. As soon as it launches, it really skyrockets like crazy. Then it starts to go down. Same thing that we had with VVS Finance. As soon as it gets launched, it goes crazy. You're not seeing this actually here, but before this, the price was actually going up a lot. When it got released in the exchange, it started dumping on the market, and that's what we're seeing here. So that's what we're seeing exactly with Tectonic. I'm pretty excited, to be honest with you. I think I'll make more and more videos about it coming up here, because I think it's actually even good for me to use this platform. So just want to let you know about it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll take a look deeper into the actual tokenomics behind it, and then what they're actually standing for. But there's just an overview of Tectonic so far. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you guys for bringing this up to my attention. I will definitely keep it in mind. I appreciate you watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for all things CRONOS, CRONOS chain. And yeah, man, stay safe. God bless.